So in this video I'm going to share with you how can you improve your English language, how can you improve your communication skill by one very effective technique, that is LSRW. So what is that technique? So L stands for listening. You have to listen as much as possible. Every single day you need to listen English language, right? So listen from any source, like you can listen from YouTube also. You can subscribe to any channel and listen to that channel. English language, English YouTube channel you should listen, right? And the topic could be anything which you are interested in. Like if you are interested in any motivational things, you listen to motivational video. You can listen any story also, you can listen news also, you can listen to any ideal anchor also, right? So listen as much as possible. What will happen from listening, that your mindset will change. If you regularly listen, then the sentence, the structure, the words will get set in your mind, and you will be able to speak fluently. So listen. Then the next thing is LS. S stands for speaking. Now you have listened, now it's time to speak also. Now whatever you are listening, the words, the sentence will get set in your mind. Now when you are speaking, then that time it will be you can use it, right? So try to speak now. So how can you speak? What are the sources? How can you speak? Because you are not staying in that environment where you can speak. So how can you speak? So for speaking, you can do two things. Like you can record your voice. You can make your own video on any topic. You speak on that topic and record your voice. You make your own video. And also you can do one more thing, that is you speak in front of a mirror. You talk to yourself and speak. At least 5 minutes you should rehearse, you should speak to yourself, right? So speak as much as possible every single day, right? Now the third thing is read. R stands for reading. So what you will read? So you read anything which you are interested in. Like if you are interested in any story, you can read in English. You read on daily basis. What will happen from reading, that the words, the sentence, the structure will get set in your mind if you are reading regularly, right? So read. Then the last point is that W stands for write. So now after reading, you are writing now. So what will happen? You will what you will write? You will write any story. You can maintain your own diary also, right? So when you will write, then you will have to recall. Okay. So you will recall words. You will recall sentences, and by this way you can learn the method of formulating the sentence, the structure, and so likewise your mindset will be prepared, your mindset will develop, and you can speak English fluently. So always try to follow this technique, LSRW technique, and you will be very fluent in speaking English. Thank you.